Easy stir-fry Asian style. $400 grams chicken breast cut into thin 2-inch strips. 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. 1/2 tablespoon rice vinegar. 1/2 tablespoon dark soy sauce. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Teaspoon corn flour cornstarch. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix to make sauce. Pour over the chicken. Pour to chicken and mix. Set aside for 30 minutes. 1/2 tablespoon light soy sauce. 1/2 tablespoon dark soy sauce. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. 1 teaspoon white vinegar. 2 tablespoon hoisin sauce. 2 teaspoon sugar. 1/2 teaspoon powdered pepper. 4 tablespoon water. Mix to make stir-fry sauce. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoon oil. Slice 1 medium white onion. Stir-fry 30 seconds on medium heat. Add marinated chicken. On medium heat, fry 3 minutes. Add chopped garlic. On medium heat, fry 1 minute. Add 3/4 cup capsicum. Add salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon powdered pepper. Stir-fry 1 minute on high heat. Add the sauce prepared earlier. On high heat, stir-fry 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons spring green onions. Stir-fry 1 minute on medium heat. Easy stir-fry Asian style is ready. Enjoy, happy eating. Don't forget to subscribe Rennie's Kitchenary. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and follow all my social media account, like, share, comment.